Hello everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how do you recall or cancel and send email on Outlook. So firstly, once you logged into your Outlook, you'll see a setting options here on your top right. So click on settings here. So once you click on settings, scroll down and you will see view all Outlook settings. Click on it. So once you get here, you will see an option called compose and reply here. So click on that. So once you're here, scroll down until you see undo send. So here under undo send, we can set up a delayed timer for messages to be or emails to be sent. So within that delayed timer, that within that time frame, we can able to cancel or recall a message that we just sent. So you can set this timer. At the moment, you have up to 10 seconds that's being allowed on Outlook. So you can set it up to, I'll just set it up to 10 seconds. So once you set that and then just hit save. So once that's done, what you can do now is just to test. I'll just send a dummy email. So let me send that. I'm just sending a dummy email, and I'm sending it now. And then I just realized that I need to cancel it. So what do you have? You have a delay timer here, so you can click on undo to cancel that. So now that email is now being canceled. It's been recalled. It's not sent yet. So that's how pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.